Now this time again, Lily is going to do. Everyone can observe her. Please come. Please raise your leg up. Are you ready now? Lily, are you ready? Okay. Now lift leg up more up, more up, more up, more up. Hold yourself here. And now slowly, take this leg that side. Very slow, very slow. Please stand if you feel pain wherever. Please speak, Lily. Continue, keep on going. Keep on going with awareness inside. Very good. Yes. This time you may feel more twist. When you are doing by yourself, that might be a little easier. This might be a little pressure, little stretch. Experience inside what is happening on the back, on your spine, in your belly, on your hip joint, in your knees. The problem will disappear gently. Now slowly up, up, very gently up, knee very straight. Very gently bring it back, slowly bring it down with awareness. Very nice. You can feel the difference right now between your one leg and the other leg. Now let's start with the other leg, with your right leg. Yes. Very nice. Keep it up, little more up, more up. Stay here for a moment. She will feel the half leg more stretched, hip joint is stretched, knees is stretched, leg is stretched. New energy is required here. Now slowly bring it to the other side with full awareness. Very good. Very nice. Keep it up. Bring it down, bring it down. Bring it towards upward. Yes, more up. If possible, more up. Yes. Very good. Well done. बहुत अच्छा. Very nice. And slowly stay here at the moment. Slowly watch inside what is happening. You are breathing in. You are aware towards every movement of your cells in the area where there is pressure, where there is a pain, where there is a stretch. And now slowly lift up. Very nice. Very good. Keep it up. Go now. Bring it down slowly. Slowly bring it down. Bring it down. Very good. And now, deep relaxation. Very good. Experience the deep relaxation inside. Now, in such cases, she needs a real relaxation after this. Are you experiencing some sweat? Lily, now she is experiencing sweat. So, we are not supposed to guide her quickly. Okay, now this. Probably you can do it. But for her difficulty, her challenge, you have to go slowly, gently, by guiding step by step. How the things are moving, what is happening on her body level, what is the situation of her breathing, what is the situation of her heart rate, how she is feeling, if there is more pain, more breathing, everything must be taken care. And if she will be doing by herself, she may not be doing to the extent what the just Vinsu was helping. Because when you are helping from outside, it is more effective. Otherwise, what person does? Person will move to that extent, where it is going, and then thereafter don't need much effort. You will be just doing it slowly. What we are supposed to watch is slight more than what is possible can be done. Whenever you are ready, immediately we will go for the next. Whenever you are ready. Are you ready? It has double meaning. Now, for the knees, bring your left hand, right hand under each other, under your chin. Like a child moves its legs. First bring your left leg up and left leg will come closest to your hips. Then right, like the reverse cycle, as much as possible. Here we will not be doing much because it is directly connecting or experiencing on your knees. Just do by one leg, at least not the other one at the moment. Just 5-7 times with one leg only. Come up, come down. Now this much she is doing by herself. Now Maya is going to help, little bit more is possible. But this time you go very carefully because her knees are very delicate. Okay, little bit more, little bit more. Yes, that's all. Again go down. Yes, little bit more. Little bit more. Very good. Down. One more time. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Down. One more last time. Up. Down, 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 down. Wait, 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 wait. Very good, very good, very good. Feel yourself there in your knees. And now slowly, slowly down. You feel your one knee is more open, one knee is more energetic than the other one. Do you feel the difference? So this difference comes from here. Who has said this difference? How this difference has come? Sorry? Flow of energy has come from where? As you know, you cannot destroy the energy, you cannot produce the energy, you can only change the form of energy. Energy was in a sleeping mode, you wake up the energy and now her knees are more active, more alive, more joyful. So simply sending and activating the energy which was dormant will make her knees more healthier. Now next knee please start. First couple of times do by yourself, then Maya will help you. Very good. Very nice. Yes, help. Stretch your leg up. Toes up. Yes. Very good. Go up. Down. Very nice. Very good. Down. Very good. Down. Very good. Down. One more last time we are going to do. Yes. Very nice. And down. Relax. Take deep breath. And now Puju is going to help you to enter into go posture. Dhanurasana. दोनों हाथों को you will take your both hands back and try to catch hold of your hand and your legs. Not compulsory, not necessary, but whatever you can do. Oh wow, very good flexible body. Ooh, that's good. Take your face up, up, up. Very good, very nice, excellent. Well done, well done, well done. Be aware, no tension on the face. And slowly down, very gently down. Once again. Go gently, go slowly, go heavily. Very good. Oh, wow. Wow. Ooh, Uju has a great power. Ooh, wow. Very nice. Feel and experience yourself on the back. And now relax. Deep relaxation. Now with your fingers on the lower back, give a little massage. With your fingers, yes. Fingers like that. On the sides of the spine. We have to activate the portions of energy, the nerves which are up and down like this. Yes, continue. Little go up, little down, up, down. What is going to happen? The lower portion of the spine is going to be activated. You know, when you be studying anatomy physiology, the lower from the spine, nerves are going down to your legs. Legs become poor, legs become painful, legs become weak because the lower portion from your spine, the energy is not flowing properly to your lower back. Now you are activating the lower portion by simply massaging by your fingers, fingertips. The energy will flow, and when energy will flow down, her legs will become stronger. She will feel strength in her legs. These all of you can apply to each other, you can help each other, and then before the sleep, you will find that your legs are very strong or stronger than before. Does not mean that in your sleep you kick each other, but that means your sleep is more comfortable. The numbness, especially what you are suffering, some of you are suffering the numbness in your legs. The numbness will disappear slowly. The sitting position will become easier. The lower back pain will start going out from your system. So this is very good. Now, little bit on the side of the sides of hips. Yes, like this. This is going to, whatever blocks are there, energy blockages will start getting clear. This is one of the very, very good way of making your back